Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set reminders on the Babbel application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click to the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and go to the settings button at the upper right corner of the screen. At the left side on the screen, click to the settings button, and here in the reminder section you can find around the breakfast option. Click that, and here in the edit reminder section you can select a time when you want a reminder, and just select one and click that. And how often section you can select days and just click to the letter, and if you don't, just click to the save and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.